Hi everyone, welcome to another video in LeetCode series. So today's video we are going to check another problem from LeetCode, that is drop duplicate rows. So this is very important problem actually, because when we are handling data we might acquire instances where we see duplicate data. For example, we can see that in this following data type or data frame, you can see that for Alice and Finn, the email ID is same, john@example.com, john@example.com. So this is a problem when we are using a data to do something. This will cause a big problem because having the same email ID will not be a good idea. So what we can do is we can remove the values. I mean, we can remove this completely from this data type, because considering that Alice is a genuine one and Finn is not the genuine one. So that is what this question is all about. So you can see here explanation: customer ID 4 and Finn customer ID 5 both use john@example.com. So only the first occurrence of this email is retained. So this is a very important process when we work with data, but Python's pandas library make it a very easy way to do it. You can also do this in a very simple line of code. For example, I will just return. So in pandas, we have a function called drop duplicates, which will automatically drop the duplicates of the values in that data frame. So I'm going to use that function only. So customers dot drop duplicates. Okay, and this drop duplicates will take a set of parameters. But it can directly call drop duplicates. If you directly call drop duplicates, it will go check if there is any duplicate value. It will completely remove. But in this case, we need to remove duplicate values on email side, right? So we have to specify what column. For that, we will use the subset keyword and equal to email. So now what it will do is it will just go and check the customer's data frame and look for the email column and check if it has a duplicate value. It will remove the last duplicate value. Okay, so we will just run this out and we'll check the results once. Yes, so it is accepted, and as you can see, it has removed finjohn@example.com. So that is what the expected output. And more, you can also specify what you want to remove. Let's say that maybe you wanted to remove the second, not the second one, but the first one. So in that case, you have to mention what you have to keep. So keep equal to, if I mention first, it will keep Alice and remove Finn, but that is what is happening by default. So we will mention last, and now we will run. Of course, I will get the wrong answer here, but yep, I'm getting the wrong answer, but Finn should be there. Yeah, see, Alice is removed and Finn is there. Okay, so you might be asking now, what if you wanted to remove everything? Because if a same email ID is being used by multiple persons, it is better to remove all that email ID itself. Yeah, you can do that again. For that, you just have to make keep none. That is keep equal to false. So nothing will be kept. Whatever the return, any duplicate data, the whole data will be erased. So just run this again and we get again the wrong answer. But this time both Alice and Finn will be gone. So you can see Alice and Finn is no more there. It's only Violet after exactly. So I hope this is very useful for you in handling the data, and this is what is the purpose of doing this exercise as well. And yeah, that's it for today. So meet you up in next video. Thank you.